so we're back quiet.
Alright, 427 Nebraska, 458 topside of Kelly with a big old peace sign waving.
Silly rabbit, silly rabbit, silly rabbit, silly rabbit, cloud.
Alright there, 427.
Don't forget, 431 got down, and I'm gone and I'm clear now. Silly rabbit, silly rabbit, silly rabbit. Yeah, I got the audio down there, and Big D Dallas was even.
What the hell?
Well, you got a good sound of radio, Jesse, there, come on. Hey, it's working. Hey, Ducker, it's working. Truth be told, it's working, my friend. It's working in fine style, and I'm off the key. Have a good day.
I flushed the toilet.